Welcome to Miami Beach Notary. If you want to change your name as an adult, we're here to guide you through the process step by step. Step 1. Start the self-help adult name change form online or at the courthouse, or hire an attorney to do this process for you. First, you'll need to complete the necessary forms. These include the petition for change of name, adult, and the civil cover sheet. Make sure to fill them out accurately and legibly. You also must be a resident of Miami-Dade County. Step 2. Filing the petition. File your completed forms with the Clerk of Court at 175 Northwest, 1st Avenue, 24th floor. You'll also need to pay a filing fee of $401, which can be paid by cash, money order, or credit card. And if you have an attorney filing for you, they must file on the 12th floor. Step 3. Get your fingerprints taken. After filing your petition, the clerk will explain how to have your fingerprints taken. This is a crucial step in the process. Please note you cannot get fingerprints taken before you receive a case number from the courts. The Florida ORI agency number is FL923940Z. You must receive fingerprinting from a live scan provider. Miami Beach Live Scan Fingerprinting offers this service in 2 locations, Miami Beach and Wynwood, Miami. We also can come to you with our mobile fingerprinting services. We can have you fingerprinted in 15 minutes or less. Step 4. Return to the courthouse with your notarized petition or schedule a self-help appointment online to review and notarize your documents. Bring all your completed forms, a pen, and your ID. The self-help service fee is $40. File your documents with the clerks on the 24th floor in the Lawson Courthouse. Step 5. To receive information about the status of your case, you must create an account on the Miami-Dade Court's e-portal website. If you have an attorney filing for you, they must also create an account online. This step is essential and is the only way to receive correspondence from the court about your case. Step 6. The judge reviews your case, background check, and sends correspondence to you or your attorney through the Miami-Dade Court's e-portal. Step 7. After the judge makes the final decision, the clerk will provide certified copies of your final judgment of change of name. And that's it. You've successfully changed your name in Miami-Dade County. Remember, accuracy and compliance with Florida state laws are key. Thank you for watching.